Hello student, I am Dr. B.K. Barun from Medical Point, Patna, and today class is artery and vein and blood vessel, and one term is the pulmonary shunt. So what is pulmonary shunt? Pulmonary shunt means which not carry any oxygen, which is related to lung, and it is very less, that is 2% of the total cardiac outputs. So the pulmonary shunt is 2% of cardiac output. Next is blood vessel. Blood vessel means artery, vein and capillary present in the closed heart circuit, and it consists artery, arteriole, aorta, and percentage is around 2% aorta, 8% artery and 1% arteriole. So blood flow is around 10 to 11% by the help of artery. And vein consists, large vein is vena cava and large artery is aorta. So vena cava, vein and venulets and venule, it consists around 54% of the whole blood, and capillary consists around 5% of the whole blood, which is made up of endothelium, and it is highly thin structure, capillary. In hepatic portal system, capillary is very important because it starts from capillary and into capillary. So hepatic portal system also is a venous system. And one is the cardiac output. So the total cardiac output, that is 5 liters per minute in normal condition, but during exercise it increases 5 to 6 times, that is 25 liters per minute or 30 liters per minute. So the normal cardiac output 5 liters per minute, and out of this 10% supplied to the heart muscle, and the 50% supplied to the 15% brain, and 25% to 30% digestive system. So maximum blood supply to the digestive system. इसलिए खाना खाने के बाद ज़्यादा नींद आती है. क्यों? क्योंकि डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में सारा ब्लड चला जाता है, ब्रेन से लेकर के अन्य पार्ट से, इसलिए खाना खाने के बाद थोड़ा सा नींद आती है. 20% जाता है किडनी में एंड 30% अदर ऑर्गन. एंड नेक्स्ट इज द coronary circulation. So what is coronary? Coronary means the related to the heart. So the coronary circulation, that is the ascending aorta, is divided into two parts, right coronary artery and left coronary artery, and both collect the blood, oxygenated blood, and supply to the heart muscle. And coronary veins, which collect deoxygenated blood and pour into the right atria, and this is called coronary sinus, and collectively called coronary circulation. And one is called portal circulation, that is the 3 type of portal: hepatic portal, renal portal, hypophyseal portal. And the hepatic portal system present in passage inferior reptile apes and mammal, and hypophyseal portal system is also present in the passage inferior reptile apes and mammal, but renal portal system only present in the passage and amphibia, fish amphibia, and reduced in the reptile and birds, but absent in mammalia. So what is portal system? Portal means the collection of blood from different part of body and then enter into the a special organ and then into the heart, not directly enter into the heart. Such as in case of hepatic portal system, it collects the blood from the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, and then pour into the liver. That is called by the hepatic portal vein. And after detoxification, such as ammonia is more toxic, then detoxified into the urea and goes to the kidney. So after detoxification, then enter into the heart, such as glucose convert into glycogen in the liver, then supply to the heart. So this is very important system, portal system. Just like hypophyseal portal system means it collect the blood from the hypothalamus and then pituitary gland and then enter into the heart. And renal portal system collect the blood from the hind part of the body and then into the kidney and then heart. So but human, there is no need of renal portal system. And next is the blood vessel, that is the difference between artery and vein. So what is difference between artery and vein? Artery and vein, that is the artery has no valve, vein has valve. And what is the function of valve? To check the backflow of the blood. And the lumen of artery is small, but lumen of vein is large. And tunica media is the more thick in case of artery and more muscular and fibrous. But in case of vein, this tunica media is thin and less muscle fibers. But tunica interna is strong in case of artery and consists elastic membrane and elongated endothelial cell. But in case of vein, it is not a strong elastic membrane, that is thin elastic membrane and elongated endothelial cell. And the tunica externa is well developed in vein, not in the artery. And the wall of artery is thick, but wall of vein is thin. And the flow of blood in the jerky movement in artery and flow of vein in the slow. And all artery consist oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, and all vein consist deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. So these are the difference between artery and vein. And one is called lymphatic system, that is the lymph. Lymphatic circulation means, what is lymph? Lymph means blood minus RBC and protein. So it consists the tissue fluid which consists less O2 and more CO2 and less nutrient, but consists more WBC and no RBC, and very low amount of protein also consists. And it consists lymphatic capillary, lymphatic vessels, lymphatic duct, which is converted into two parts, that is called thoracic duct and right lymphatic duct. Right lymphatic duct opened into right subclavian and thoracic duct open into the left subclavian. And the lymphatic circulation, what is the importance of lymphatic circulation? Because it acts as a middleman and transport oxygen, hormones, food particles, food materials to the body cell and brings CO2 from the body cell to the blood and finally pour into the venous system. And it also controls the BP. If BP is high, and then it controls the slow BP because the blood flow into the maintain the blood volume. And all digested fat absorbed into the lacteal vessel, lymphatic vessels in digestive system. And the lymphocyte present, which is responsible for formation of antibody, and it is protective mechanism because it provides the immunity. And body cell kept moist with the help of lymphatic system. And one term that is called clot busters. What is clot busters? Which remove the clot inside the blood vessels, mainly streptokinase and the TPA, tissue plasminogen activator, and that is heparin. That is two terms, tachycardia and bradycardia. Increase the heart rate, that is the tachycardia and trachyarrhythmia, and decrease the heart rate, that is bradycardia or bradyarrhythmia. So there is a need of artificial pacemaker in bradyarrhythmia. So these are the difference between artery, vein, blood vessels, cardiac output, coronary circulation, portal circulation. Portal circulation very important. Portal system is actually the venous system. System is three: arterial system, venous system, and lymphatic system. So portal system is a venous system. So these are the very important. And artery and vein is very important. Vein has the valve, but artery has no valve. Thank you.